Story Tree Books.
Hello everybody, thanks for joining Sebastian and I here at Story Tree Books for another Aussie Christmas story. Today's Christmas story is called A Very Wombat Christmas by Lachlan Creagh. A Very Wombat Christmas. 'Tis the night before Christmas, and deep in his burrow, Wombat is busy getting ready for tomorrow. The stockings are hung by the campfire with care, in hopes the bush Santa soon will be there. Wombat has lots of work to get done to make sure his mates have loads of Christmas fun. He's made a Christmas pudding with lots of nuts and fruit. It's Nana Wombat's recipe. It always tastes beaut. He's made decorations and hung them from a tree, a sparkly Christmas ghost gum as tall as can be. Then Wombat wraps the presents and checks them off his list. Croc, koala, goanna, roo. Oh no, there's one he's missed. No present for Emu. He can't believe he forgot. What can he do? It's too late for the shops.
Oh no!
Wombat looks high and low for a gift he can share. It's got to be special to show Emu that he cares. There's not enough time to knit Emu a scarf. He can't think of a story that might make him laugh. He tries to paint a picture, but it comes out all splodgy. His homemade candy canes look a little bit dodgy. Then Wombat says, I've got it, the perfect Prezi idea. I'll do nice things for Emu all through the year. He writes them in a list and signs it with his paw. This special Christmas present should make Emu smile for sure. And Wombat declares as he snuggles in tight, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. What a great Christmas story, and what a lovely idea of Wombat to do nice things for Emu throughout the whole year. Thanks for joining Sebastian and I here today at Story Tree Books. We will see you next time.